Painting outdoor wicker furniture can be a bit tricky, but with the right preparation and techniques, it can be done successfully. Here are the steps to paint outdoor wicker furniture. Before painting, the furniture should be cleaned to remove any dirt, grime, or mildew. Use a mild detergent and water to clean the furniture, and then let it dry completely. Repair any damage. Check the furniture for any cracks, chips, or other damage that may need to be repaired before painting. Fill in any gaps with a wood filler and allow it to dry completely. Sand the furniture. Use a fine grit sandpaper to lightly sand the furniture to help the paint adhere better. Be sure to remove any dust or debris with a dry cloth before moving on to the next step. Apply a primer. A primer is essential for outdoor furniture as it will help the paint adhere better and resist fading and chipping. Use a paintbrush or roller to apply the primer and allow it to dry completely. Paint the furniture. Use a paintbrush or roller to apply the paint to the furniture. Start by painting the edges and corners first, then work your way inwards. Be sure to apply at least 2 coats of paint. Next, protect the paint. Once the paint is dry, apply a clear coat or sealant to protect the paint from the elements. This will help to prevent fading and chipping and ensure that the paint lasts for a longer time.